YP, yeah. Hey, all of these be looking at me. I guess that they know I got cash. Hop on the highway, then I do the dash. All of the guap that I got in this bag, I can buy me a. Hey, my diamonds be looking like fish. Take, made a couple thousand, that's a great amount. I was in Atlanta when I made it out. I ain't even pop a beat.
Welcome back, you guys. Hello, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. So today I was going for a fall look. I wanted like some browns and orange, and you know, I think I kind of achieved that look. Yeah, so I wanted to go for like a fall. You know, Halloween is around the corner, and so this is like a little nice little simple smoky eye, like orange brown, and a little. I added a little black in here too. You know, just to go for like a nice fall look. So yeah, you know, it's really nice. This is crochet here. If you're wondering, this is crochet box locks. So yeah, I did box locks on my hair earlier. Like I actually was on a budget, so I took. Let me twist this while I'm talking to you guys. So I had this in my hair like 2 weeks ago, took it down because that time when I did it, it was kind of I just kind of quickly did it, so I just went back and reinstalled the same hair, you know, after I cleaned it and stuff, and there we go again. It's done a little neater. So yeah, you know, this look today is going to be a fall makeup tutorial look. So if you are looking to do like some fall makeup, or you want some browns or a little orange, maybe you don't want to go all out. This could be a Halloween look too. If you just wanted something simple, you probably don't want to go all out. You probably just want some orange and some brown, and you can do that. You can do that by just watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, please. Remember, you guys, when you subscribe, you help me, encourage me to want to make more videos. I cannot possibly do this without you guys. So if you're watching my videos, please share them with family members. I know I've been pretty busy lately, and so but I'm coming back. I'm trying to be consistent. As of now, I currently upload weekly on Sunday, so stay tuned for weekly videos on Sunday. I'm gonna try to stretch it 2 days out of the week, but at the moment it's just weekly videos. Okay, so I don't want to ramble on. That can be a whole nother topic for another video. So yeah, this is just a fall makeup look. Make sure you guys subscribe, and let's get to it. Don't click out. Finish watching this video. Okay, ciao.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be putting P.Louise eyeshadow base on my eyelids. This is just to help with the color payoff from my eyeshadow. It's going to make it a little brighter. I'm going to use a blending brush. Let me see which blending brush that is to pat out that P.Louise. And that is JH32 Jaclyn Morphe brush. Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. I'm using that to blend out the base. I use the Morphe flat brush to put the base on. Then I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Palace eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that brown. It's a dark brown. Then I'm going to apply that all on my crease area on my lid, and then a little above my crease area on my lid. And I'm just using a flat brush to do that. I'm trying to find the name of that flat brush. Then I'm going in with this orange color in my BH palette, eyeshadow palette, I believe. Yeah, BH Cosmetics. And I'm just blending that orange in with the brown. Then I'm going in with this shimmer orange color in my Juvia's palette. And I'm going to apply that orange color halfway on my eyelid. And I'll list the items I used as well in the description. I had a hard time trying to adjust my camera with the angles throughout this video, so bear with me if you guys are not able to see everything. I was having a hard time. So I'm just making sure that that orange is extended and smoothed out, and I'm just building and adding more eyeshadow to make the orange pop a little bit. Then I'm going in with the brown, and I'm applying that on the outer corner of my eyelids. And I blend that in with the orange. Then I'm going in with this black eyeshadow I can't remember where I got that eyeshadow from. I'll try to find it. So I'm putting that on the outer corner because I want to smoke it out. I want to smoke this look out. So I like to use black to smoke any type of look out. So I'm just making sure I blend out that black.
Yeah.
And it's important that I blend that black in with my orange. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Then I'm just going in with the lighter orange to fill in any spot that doesn't have like any eyeshadow. I'm bringing that more so in my inner corner to blend out pretty much the brown or the orange, the darker orange. Then I'm going to be going in with my liquid eyeliner. I use like 3 different liners because yeah, one was working and the other one really wasn't working. So I did kind of switch off throughout the video. And you guys really couldn't see me do my wing liner because I had my head so low. You can see little parts, but I'm sorry. Just keep watching. You'll see a little bit of it. Yep, you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel too. SBE Aesthetics. I'm on Instagram, SBE Aesthetics, and I'm on Facebook, SBE Aesthetics. So just stay updated with new makeup looks, new tutorials, new hair style looks. Yeah. So moving on, I'm going to be using my Sephora mascara. I kind of got some on my eyeshadow. Yeah, bummer. That type of stuff happened, guys. I just went in and added some orange eyeshadow to cover it up. Then I'm going in with another eyeliner. Just making sure I fill in my corners really well. There's no gaps or empty spaces. Then I'm just making sure I blend out, not blend out, sorry. I'm adding that P.Louise base. Anything I had extra on that blending brush, I'm putting that underneath my eyes so that I can add the eyeshadow that's on top of my lids at the bottom. Then I'm going in with some black eyeshadow and I'm adding that on the outer corner of my bottom lash. Then I'm going in with the darker orange color, and I'm applying that at the bottom next to the black on my lash. Then I'm just taking the blending brush and just blending out both eyeshadow to make it blend even with each other, or in with each other. I have went in off camera and put the shimmer orange in the inner corner at the bottom of my eye. Then I'm just blending it out, making sure it's all blended out. I believe I added some light orange on that blending brush just to blend out, give it a more orange effect. Then I put one eyelash on. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the other eyelash on my eye. I'm just blowing it, making sure that it's on there. And again, I'm sorry, you guys. There are a lot of things that got cut out that you couldn't see because of my big old head was too low. So please forgive me. I will do better next time. But so far so good. I'm loving the look. I'm loving this fall look. So then I'm going in with a mixture of my MAC and Juvia's Palace foundation. I mix those together and I'm just applying that all over my face with my Real Technique Expert face foundation brush. You guys, you feel free to ask me any questions down below the video in the comment section. If you have any suggestions on any other type of makeup looks you want me to do, comment below. Then I went in and put concealer underneath my eye. I used a darker concealer and then I applied a lighter concealer shade on top of the darker concealer. And now I'm just blending that out with the same foundation brush I used to blend out my face. Then I'm adding more Tarte concealer to brighten it up a little. I take a little flat brush and I blend it out even more. Blend, blend, blend. She gonna become your friend. Yes, because it's real. You have to blend. So here I am adding some translucent powder to set that concealer all over my face. Then I'm adding my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth to contour my face and my nose. Then I just blend it. Blend, blend, blend. Then I blend my nose with the little flat brush. Then I take my finger to finish it. I add a little bit more concealer to my nose just to make it stand out with the highlight. Then I'm just blending it out. Then I went in and add my bronzer Mahogany to set it with the powder. Then I setting the Mahogany bronzer Anastasia from Anastasia Beverly Hills wherever I apply that contour. Now I'm adding the Wet n Wild highlighter to give myself a highlight. Then I'm going in with the black eyeliner to put on my waterline. Then I'm going to be going in with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and I'm going to line my lips up with that. Then I'm going to be going in with this orange color by Ruby Kisses. It's an orange matte color, and I'm going to add that on my lip. And that completes the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your guys' support helps me out all the time. Thank you.
Hey, all of these be looking at me.